snail? Is it a snail? Hee! Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am Kanza, and today I will tell you the story about the legend of Golden Snail. A long time ago, there was a couple of husband and wife. They were Prince Raden Putra and Dewi Limara. They lived in the palace. Prince Raden Putra's father was the king of the kingdom. One day, Dewi Limaran was walking around in the palace garden. Suddenly, she saw a snail. It was ugly and disgusting. Ew! Hey! What is it? It's so ugly and disgusting. Hey! Is it a snail? Is it a snail? Hey! Said Dewi Limaran. And then she threw it away into a river. She didn't know that the snail was actually an old and powerful witch. She could transform herself into anything she wanted. Ladies and gentlemen, the witch was angry to Dewi Limaran because of her arrogancy. The witch then put a spell on her. How dare you, young girl! Okay. I force you become a snail, and you will come back if you hear the holy gamelan. Ah! Help me, please! Help me! Ladies and gentlemen, the witch then threw it away into a river. The golden snail was drifting away in the river and got caught into a net. An old woman was fishing and used her net to catch some fish. Oh, what is it? It's so unique and so cute. Is it a snail? Is it a snail? She was surprised to see a golden snail in her net. She took it and brought it home. When the old woman woke up in the morning, she was surprised that the house in a good condition. The floor was mopped, and she also had food on the table. She was thinking very hard. Clean and food? Put this to me. Put this to me. The person is very kind. The same thing happened and happened again every morning. The old woman was very curious. One night, she decided to stay up late. She was peeping from her room to know who did it for her. Ladies and gentlemen, when she found the fact, she could not believe what she saw. The golden snail she had caught from the river turned into a beautiful young woman. The old woman approached her. Who are you, young girl? Who are you? Dear grandma, I am Dewi Limaran. A witch cursed me. I can change back as a human only at night, explained Dewi Limaran sadly. The spell can be broken if I hear the melody of the holy gamelan, continued Dewi Limaran. The old woman then rushed to the palace. She talked to Prince Raden Putra about his wife. Excuse me, Raden. Dewi Limaran is in my house. She is cursed to be a snail. Please, play the holy gamelan and she will be free. My wife? Dewi Limaran in your house? Okay. I can do it. Thank you. Prince Raden Putra was so happy. He had been looking for his wife everywhere. He then prayed and meditated. He asked the gods to give him the holy gamelan. He then prayed and meditated. He asked the gods to give him the holy gamelan. He wanted to break the witch spell on his wife. After several days praying and meditating, finally God granted his wish. He immediately brought the holy gamelan to the old woman's house. He played it beautifully. Limaran, Dewi Limaran, please come back to Bima. Dewi Limaran. Dewi Limaran? Is it you, Dewi? Is it you? You come back, Dewi Limaran. I love you, Dewi. And amazingly, the golden snail turned into a beautiful Dewi Limaran. The couple was so happy that they could be together again. They also thanked the old woman for her kindness. As a return, they asked her to stay in the palace. Ladies and gentlemen, in the end of the story, Prince Raden Putra and Dewi Limaran lived happily ever after in the palace. The moral value from this story is one good turn deserves another. And I am Kanza. Thank you so much for your attention. See you!